Overview of Contract Manufacturing CRM, built on Salesforce.com and presented by ISM. Let's start by talking about some of the challenges that organizations that sell contract manufacturing services are currently struggling with. Reps are constantly being asked to maintain high levels of product and engineering knowledge, and this is important because limited access to executives and other key decision makers requires the selling organization and the sales rep in particular to maintain and establish a level of subject matter expertise and a relevant relationship with the customer. Third, greater strain on sales resources with growing territories and increased travel costs continue to put more pressure on these resources, as well as the need to individually measure the performance of your reps while also enabling them to be more competitive in the international competitive space. So the whole point of this is that Salesforce.com and contract manufacturing were designed to address these issues. Number one, design workflow was designed in Salesforce.com to facilitate internal communications to help sales reps communicate more effectively between sales, design, and engineering so that they're leveraging the resources available to them within the organization and doing so effectively. This also includes quote management, so the ability to manage quotes more effectively, both on a strategic level as well as on a tactical level, so that forecasting can be more effective and more accurate, as well as the ability to include design win forecasting so that you have a better sense of what your customers are winning in terms of orders and in terms of design wins so that you can plan more effectively. And then finally, the ability to improve and track communications across your entire network of suppliers and subcontractors by project within the same system. So this starts by giving you powerful dashboards and tools to enable you to maintain or establish a 360-degree view of your customer and of your business. These views have been highly customized for contract manufacturing so that the visibility that you have is relevant to your organization and is relevant to your sales reps as they sell into your customer base. This includes territory management and routing. So for those organizations that have field reps that are spending time in the territory, territory management and routing is a way of efficiently spending time in the territory, maximizing time with those customers that need to be seen, and minimizing travel time between accounts. And so the establishment of routed accounts and the geographic location of these accounts enables sales reps, as well as inside sales reps, better visibility into where reps are spending their time. This is combined with the ability to integrate with your mission-critical systems and provide relevant data to your sales organization, including things such as critical trends or vital metrics associated with these accounts, so sales reps know what's happening. Now, many organizations have access to this data today, but the one difference within contract manufacturing for Salesforce is the ability to integrate that data but also interpret that data, which is a fancy way of basically telling the selling organization or the sales rep, what does this data mean? So we always say red bad, green good, as a way of telling the sales rep, this is something I need to pay attention to, or this is something that I don't need to pay attention to. And finally, by combining that in a platform and using tools that enable that information to be deployed via things like iPad and iPhone and Droid and other mobile devices, improves the usability of that information, as well as the ability for your sales reps to use that data to present to their customers in a way that demonstrates their subject matter expertise and their understanding of the issues involved in that particular customer's business. Now, all this is built on the leading platform or cloud platform known as Force.com, which is the core element of which Salesforce.com is built on. And so this includes the common objects and relationships that may have made Salesforce.com so successful, but again, highly tailored for the contract manufacturing space to make contract manufacturing organizations more productive and increase their sales and do that more efficiently. Now, the leading applications that are being built on Salesforce.com are using this infrastructure that we call the Force.com infrastructure. That starts with a very foundational layer called the cloud infrastructure, which provides very high levels of security and stability as well as uptime. That's then followed by what we call a development platform, which gives unlimited customization capability to the platform and a very high degree of tailoring that can be done for specific industries, in this case for contract manufacturing. This also includes things like real-time analytics as well as the real-time mobile deployment tools that make Salesforce so productive, and combining that with specific things that have been tailored for contract manufacturing make it even more valuable. And then finally, the final layer is the collaboration layer, where individual profiles of individual users and customers and suppliers can all be created so that organizations have unlimited visibility into who's doing what across the entire organization and across the entire spectrum of subcontractors and vendors. And this is followed by a very interesting study that was done by Salesforce.com demonstrating the average improvements in certain key areas when using their tool combined with good solid process. So take a moment and look at some of these metrics and just pick one of these out that might relate to your business or that might be real relevant or significant if you were to see this kind of improvement. For example, in the contract manufacturing space, forecast accuracy is very, very important. So being able to accurately forecast and align that with your design wins has a lot of significant value. In other organizations, lead conversion might be more critical, or faster sales cycles, or sales productivity as it relates to route management. So take a second, look at some of those, and just think for a moment about the business impact and the financial impact of your organization if you were to realize some of these benefits. So in closing, Contract Manufacturing CRM from ISM enables you to establish a single integrated system that gives you 360-degree visibility and views of your customers and your organization. Secondly, it's been customized for manufacturing, which includes your field sales, your design, your engineering, your support, and your marketing teams, so the ability to tightly integrate those teams and make them more productive. What this really comes down to is giving you the benefits of software that's been highly tailored for your industry, but is built on a proven technology and a proven platform known as Salesforce.com that's in the cloud and gives you visibility to your information on any device, in any venue, and in any location. And finally, it translates into very fast time to value, so the ability to implement and start seeing the value from these solutions is very, very proven and very high. So I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes out. In summary, we'd like to invite you to learn more about Contract Manufacturing CRM from ISM. You can do that at our website at ismsystems.com/manufacturing. You can email us at the email address listed here, or contact us directly at 877-553-0485. And don't forget, you can request a free 30-day trial using the website that you're here located at. So feel free to do that if that interests you. Thank you.